We will discuss some more questions. First question is integral dx by x, x to the power n plus 1. In this we can multiply and divide by x to the power n minus 1. We will get x to the power n minus 1 by x to the power n plus 1. X to the power n we can assume as t, and x to the power n minus 1 dx is dt. X to the power n minus 1 dx is dt by n. This is our first equation. T into t plus 1 dt by n integration. Now you can do it easily. I'm not going into calculation. We are taking second question, which is integral tan of x minus alpha tan x plus alpha into tan 2x dx. There is another way of asking the same question, which is integral tan 3x tan 2x tan x dx. Many more ways. I will tell you the key concept to solve these questions. Tan 3x, or you can write it as general format. We will write tan of a plus b into tan a into tan b. This is actually tan a plus b minus tan a minus tan b. Just you have to use this formula. We can prove it also. We can prove. Let's see the proof. Tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Cross multiply this. Tan of a plus b plus multiplication 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to tan of a plus tan of b. Now we will multiply. We will get tan a plus b minus of tan a plus b into tan a into tan b is equal to tan a plus tan b. Now we will take this term this side and this term this side, and we will get the answer as tan a plus b minus tan of a minus tan of b is tan a plus b into tan a into tan b. So we get, so this you have to use in this both questions, and many more questions can be framed like that. You can see this you can take as a, this as b, and this is a plus b, this is a, this is b, and this is a plus b. So in this question what you can do, it can be written as tan 2x minus tan x minus alpha minus tan x plus alpha. Now you can integrate that very easily. So we will proceed to next question. One more question is there, which is based on functional equations. F of 3x minus 4 by 3x plus 4. This is x plus 2. Then you have to find integral fx dx. So just you have to calculate fx. Then you can integrate that. How to calculate? We will see. We can put 3x minus 4 by 3x plus 4 as t. Ft is, we will convert x variable in t. For ft is f of t is x plus 2. As we know, this is a function of t, so x should be converted into t. So from this equation, we will calculate the value of t. X will come in function of t, that we will put here, and then ft. We will replace t by x, and we will integrate. It is very simple. I will leave it up to you, and we will proceed to the next question. This question is integration x to the power half, x to the power half minus x to the power minus 3 dx. This is a question in which you can substitute x as v to the power 6, and you can solve. Now from here we can v minus 1 plus 1 by v minus 1, and now you can solve very easily.